Morning guys, how are we doing? It's been a super exciting morning. It's a great way to end the week, guys. We just went 61 for 61 wins on this channel over here. This was actually on Matic. We ended up doing 21.53% profit on 50% of our position. Then we moved 50% of the position to 1.04. So let me show that to you guys real quick, so in case you guys missed it. Got in down here with 25% of our position on buy limit on October 10th. Just took a profit up here of 21.53%. Incredible in here. A lot of our traders have a lot of money. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. When I called this out immediately after the drop came in here, right after I called it out, we ended up seeing a drop here. Now, I know our traders aren't moving the whole markets, but we have a lot of big money clients in here, guys. Like, I coach a lot of clients and they have between $100,000 to $1 million each. And we have a lot of big boys over here. So when we call exits, sometimes we can actually move the market a little bit. So anyways, point being, you guys are doing fantastic. Good job, guys. 61 for 61 wins. I will show you guys in the second half of this video exactly how to take all of our trade setups. If you want to join us, because I'm going for my personal goal, guys, is 70 for 70 wins by the end of October. All these wins have been calculated on TradingView. There's proof of this over in the Telegram channel as well. Okay, let's jump into it. So let's go over Ethereum, guys. I have been waiting for the Ethereum trade to get triggered in, and I am not going to FOMO into this. I know, guys, it is so hard to see the price go up here, and you're like, man, I should have gotten in here. We're going to FOMO in. No, guys, we are not going to do that. I am not going to do that. So let's take a look at what we need to look at now for predictions of Ethereum over the weekend and such. Let's just get real clear about this. The trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. Watch these indicators. Guys, I get this question, Travis, how do I win your trades? You guys get our membership to get our buy limits. Great, you have the buy limits. We then use the indicators and we call exits. That's all we do. We don't look at news. We don't look at any of that. I want to make this simple. Watch this. Trend exhaustion at the top section. Go into the past here and see what happened last time we ended up getting pushed up into this area. We saw these moves right here. Now, this move right here was correlated to this one down here, and we ended up seeing the price continue to move up. So what do I expect when I start seeing this in the market? This down here, guys, is there's going to be times where you're going to hit top market prices here, and yes, you are going to start seeing moves back down in the market. But there's going to be times like this where you move up, and yes, you see moves back down, and it's calling these nice drops in here. You may see an extension upwards. What do you do with that call? I literally just coached someone yesterday and it was so much fun, and I was explaining this. So if you guys ever get a high and another higher high on the chart where price money is going up, the price is going up, and the well money flow here is actually going to a downward bias, it's actually moving down and the trend exhaustion is moving down, this is a precursor of a drop. Okay, when money flow moves out of the market and you guys see price structure move up, it cannot continue to increase. It cannot. Okay, watch over here. Look at this over here when this got to the top red section. This is all going to make sense here in a second. We got to the top red section as well as the well money flow started pushing up closer to the top. That's right around these candles of both of these indicators. This was able to call the drop before it happened in the market. And yes, we were able to call this here. It's why we did not FOMO into this. Like I basically come out sometimes, I'm like, guys, whatever you do, don't FOMO in here. Get it on discount. We have won, this is now 14 trades in a row. We have won just with this one long trade, this uptrend right here, okay? The previous time before that, the trend exhaustion pushed in the top section up here. We saw the well money flow pushing up to the top as well. The reason why I have you guys have both of these on your charts and not just the trend exhaustion is because this is double confirmation. Great. If the trend exhaustion shows you in the top red section, there is a 75 to 80% chance you are going to see a drop back down in the market. This is how we were actually able to call the drop over here before it ended up happening, is we were looking at these indicators, and I mentioned to you guys, don't get in. This waterfall drop came in. We actually got trades picked up at literally at rock bottom prices. So the question is, why do you need both? It's double confirmation. Okay, like I said, I was coaching a guy yesterday and I said, when the flow of money is at the top and we see the trend exhaustion at the top, this is a double confirmation we could see very fast moves back down. Now, why did we not see as fast of moves down over here, but over here we did? Well, the well money flow wasn't at top sections over here when this came out. This was actually closer to, arguably even closer to the middle or maybe just above the middle. So that's maybe why we didn't see as big of a drop. So if you guys want to predict the bigger ones, this is what you guys want to be looking for. Like these top sections up here, you guys see this, you guys see well money flow up here. This is when larger drops can happen and faster drops can happen in the market. Now on an uptrend, it might be a little bit less, but I'm just showing you guys, you want to predict the market moves up and down with possibly the greatest accuracy, it's going to be with these two indicators. I show that to you so you can see this. Where are we just currently at? You got educated on all of that. Now take the knowledge and move to the current price. We are looking for a move back down in Ethereum. That is what I'm calling on this channel. I'm looking for some selling pressure to take in over the weekend for Ethereum and move this back down. Usually over the weekend, we see selling pressure. Great. The indicators are at the top. We're looking for selling pressure. Cool. Follow me because I'm going to show you guys how to set up the next buy limit so you don't miss this trade. Let's go over the metrics this morning. But really quick before we do that, let me show you guys the profits. I like to do this on Friday. It's called Profit Fridays. I should have done this in the beginning of the video, but you guys see it now. So this guy in here did $1,100. And he said this, another $1,100 profit on VET, exactly as you predicted. Thank you. Awesome, man. I'm super happy to make you $1,000. Paid for your membership for life, pretty much. So this guy in here, I love these testimonials. He's 4 for 4 wins. Okay, he's traded for 8 days. That's it. Just 8 days, guys. He's 4 for 4 wins and made $1,700. Awesome. This guy down here, you guys want to see percentages? Here you go. 22% on ADA, 39% on Doge, 29% on VET or VeChain. Incredible, guys, what these are doing. You guys are doing, and then $500 profit here on Shiba Inu, the trend exhaustion, and the price versus while money flow indicators, guys. I'm telling you, people are using these and they're doing very, very well. We have other ones down here, $14,000 in 5 hours. This is the previous week, $400 here, so on and so forth. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. You guys have seen these. $1,000 while this guy slept. This last one on here I just love saying because it's just so motivational. $6,000 in a week, and then $10,000. That was for Solana, and then $10,000 on ADA. And this guy down here did $40,000 in 3 weeks and $10,000. I told you guys we have bigger clients. That's why we're moving the price over here a little bit. Okay, let's go over Ethereum. I want you guys to watch these metrics. We have been pushing up into the excited territory and the greedy territory over this pump here. This to me shows us that we should not be getting into the trade here. I know it's going up, guys, but we should be patient for a drop move back down, okay? Watching on-chain metrics here, basically looking at the actual blockchain transactions that are happening long and short trades. Let's take a look at what we can see. We are seeing that price structure is heading up here, but short trades are heading up as well. What does this mean for Ethereum? Because long trades are not doing any type of great pumps in the market like they did over here, this actually puts a bearish pressure on Ethereum. And this is why I'm expecting to see Ethereum move down. So we've got a few things playing into the factor here. 3 things that I can see right now. I'll show you more, but here we go. Short trades are moving up. Bearish sign. Number 1. We have the trend exhaustion, the price versus while money flow at the top. Number 2. Number 3, we usually see profits taken on Friday and selling pressure over the weekend. That is a true stat. I didn't believe it, but then I actually went back and mapped it out, and you actually do see a higher chance of selling over the weekend than you do buying. It's actually true. I didn't believe it, so I mocked it up for myself, and it was true. So there you guys go. I did the research on it for us. This is showing us what are the trades to take. Now, we are only taking long trades on this channel, guys. I did short trades in the past, but I've proven to you guys how long trades are so much more secure, and I'll try to do a video in the future about that. But short trades, guys, are where this is showing that it has a less risk. The greatest risk right now is for long trades. That is exactly why we are not at all entering into a long trade right now. We are going to wait for the discount, and we're going to pick this up as it drops back down. Again, I'll show you guys how to get into this trade and all of our trades at the end of this video. Just stick around. It's not that long. Okay. Well, an institutional smart money. Watch exactly what these guys did down here. I'm like, this is insane. These guys are like predicting the moves. You see the move down here in price structure. What happens here? Long trades increase. What happens right after that? The price moves up. The price moves up. Short trades enter the market. What happens? The price moves down. Price moves down. Long trades enter into the market for long money. What happens? It goes up. Well, what's happening right now? Short trades increasing in the market. Well, that's why we're expecting to see a drop down. That is the 4th confirmation that I was going to show you guys, okay? So if you're watching this, this is the most insanely accurate metric that you guys will use. I have had memberships with Glassnode. I've had memberships with Whale-Map. I've had memberships with CryptoQuant. Guys, those are great. I'm not going to try to bash them on this channel. They've got great resources, so please understand that. I canceled my memberships because I was able to code in ones that worked better for me, and in my personal opinion, actually predicted the markets better. When you guys see an institutional smart money coming out here and they are acquiring long trades in the market when we drop down, it's because the price is expected to go back up. Guys, we have won 14 trades in a row just with this one bear move up right here. Excuse me, bull move up, not bear. We actually... Sorry, I know I'm going a little bit different here. I want to make this point real quick because I mentioned bear and it was an accident, but I get this question a lot. Travis, do you guys win trades in a bear market cycle? Bear market, moving down? The answer is absolutely yes. If you guys know that we've been trading since March, we've won 61 trades and we have taken about over 20 trades within this cycle alone, which people would argue would be a bear move down. Obviously prices moving down, this would be a bull run. Yes, we make money on both. I actually like trading bear markets better because we get better discounts. Point showing this to you guys, watch this metric. It's going to look good. It's going to keep you guys on the right side of the market. This is what retail traders are doing up here. This is what emotional people are doing. We are trading down here because this is predicting moves. That's why we haven't lost a trade yet. Okay, real quick, support resistance prices. Where could we be heading? Well, obviously, $4,030 was the prediction up here. And this is something I've been calling out to you guys. Like, yes, we can absolutely hit this by the end of the month of October. That's what I've called out in past videos. So we could see a little bit more of a pump up here. This is going to act as a ridiculous amount of resistance, however. So make sure you guys are getting your buy limit set up like I'm going to show you so you're not missing the next trade. I know some people are going to FOMO into this and they're going to buy because here's the emotional feeling you guys are feeling right now. It's going to go to the moon without me. Guys, get rid of this go to the moon stuff. Like, get rid of it. Nothing ever goes to the moon immediately. Even on the impulse move up of Bitcoin, there's always pullbacks in the price. And even with Ethereum, there are always pullbacks, all the way up, guys. You can always get into those trades, okay? Even if you don't, I'll actually teach you guys. If we ever enter into a parabolic market cycle again, I will show you how to get in with really good risk management so we don't miss it, all right? So just follow the channel. I promise we know what we're doing over here, if I can say that. So this is coming out here with dollar cost average entries. We haven't gotten a signal out here for a little while. Totally fine. Just waiting for this. Basically, if you throw money into the market, you're just holding this for really long, like 5 to 10 years, and you're just going to hold it, okay? Exit when you please. This down here shows exit points, okay? This is coming out and saying, hey, just a heads up, we could be moving down at these areas, so make sure you're looking to take some profit out. I'm not looking for this to predict the absolute top. Like, absolutely not. What I am using this for, however, is to actually get us out like 25% and 50% exits on the trades so we can take some profits. You guys see me do this a lot where I'll be in the Telegram channel. I'm like, hey guys, like literally, guys, we're going to exit 50% on Matic. We just made 21%. I'm moving the stop loss to 50% up to this level. Guys, I'm using these metrics over here to help predict these moves and make us just some ridiculous amount of money over here. That's why people are doing so well. Like, here's my personal account in here. This is probably down just a little bit because the market's moving down, but I am currently up 11,200 something? Okay, 11,306. We're still above the 300 mark. So I'm trading this with you guys. I have my buy limit set up for Ethereum right now. So let's transition over to that part so you guys don't miss another trade that is called. So you guys can go 70 for 70 wins with us because I'm trying to get that for the end of the month. I think we're going to do it. Here's what you guys do. Go to pricing. It's $49 a month. It's the cheapest membership you guys will ever get for this value, I promise. And yes, I will be upping the price of this eventually, so you guys need to get in now. Those of you who get in, I'll grandfather you guys in so you're not paying the updated price when it does go up. Okay. Watch this. $49 a month unlocks the entire website. It gives you access to all the metrics, but it gives you access to all of the buy limits and trade entries for all of our coins here. So you guys choose. My highest picks right now are Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, and VET. I haven't changed that yet. Those are the best ones that I can see the potential of getting some nice profits in here. What you're going to do, and I'm going to use Bitcoin for example, is follow these exact steps. So listen carefully. On any of these trades, just come in here and look at the 4 yellow lines below the current price. This is going to give you guys your 4 buy limits. If you have $1,000, split it into 25% increments. 25% here, 25% here, 25% here, 25% here. Here's all of your buy limits right here to the right. Once your first buy limit is hit, simply set a sell limit at the yellow line up here. That's all you guys are doing. There's 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit, and that is it. Once you guys set this up, come down here and click. Well, you guys can watch the tutorial if you need more help, but click Telegram. This has a hot link. Make sure you're signed up for Telegram first, and that will add you guys over into the Telegram channel over here where I am giving you guys market updates for the trades. The last thing you guys need to do is make sure you are not missing out on the indicators because I'm going to be raising the prices of these, okay? This indicator here goes up in 16 days. The trend exhaustion is also going to be going up. Guys, I showed you the accuracy of it over here in the other coins. If I'm not on Telegram calling exits or it's over the weekend, guys, I take the weekends off. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Like, I take weekends off to be with family and go to church and rest. So I am sometimes not updating stuff over the weekend. Guys, I'm going to live my life and I'm going to practice what I preach. You cannot be trading this like a cult 7 days a week. You need to enjoy your family. You need to go out and rest. Let the buy limits and sell limits take place. Relax over the weekend, okay? What I say that to say this, if you guys want to hop on TradingView and look for profitable exits, just use the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion when it gets to the top red sections here on any of your entries and take 50% and move your stop loss to break even at least, and then wait for Monday on the videos of when I call stuff out. or over the Telegram channel. Guys, this is so stinking simple, but make sure you guys take time to rest. That's what I do over the weekend, and I'll be back on Monday. So make sure you guys get these so you guys can watch that. Real quick, the bundle pack is the cheapest. It makes all the indicators like ridiculously cheap. This is not going up in price this month, but I am looking to up the price of this eventually, probably for the end of the year. So this gives you guys all the indicators as well as 4 other indicators if you guys just want everything I possibly have ever coded. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView 2 years ago. All the best ones I can find are in this bundle pack for you guys to use. So make sure you guys snag these to call exits and before the price moves up or before the price moves down. That's all you guys need. Get the indicators, get the metrics, get into the Telegram channel. Let's make some more profit, guys, and make sure you get that buy limit set up. I showed you guys on Bitcoin. What you need to do is click in right here to Ethereum. There's 4 yellow lines below the current price here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which when I'm recording this video is 10 minutes. Set up your buy limits. It's exactly where I have my buy limit set up as well. So if that gets triggered in, you guys will see my account go up with you guys as we get into the next trade because I'm currently in ADA right now. God bless you guys. Get the indicators, get the subscription, get your guys' membership, get in the Telegram channel, and let's see if we can go 65 for 65 wins before the end of October, and maybe we actually might hit 70 for 70 wins. God bless you guys so much. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. Email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend, guys, and cheers to more profits down the road. Let's do this, guys. Bye-bye.